Hello! Today I'm gonna be reading Dotcom Secrets. We use the two-step order form at the top of the page when the offer is a free plus shipping style offer. The psychology behind this two-step order form is amazing. People are more likely to fill out the first step because they don't see you asking for credit card information. Then once they do get to the credit card form, they keep filling it out because they've already committed to the process. Interestingly, I often find conversions to be higher on step 1 of this order form than on a regular email squeeze page, even though I'm asking for an entire shipping address instead of just a short email. This is probably because receiving something physical in the mail is the higher perceived value than receiving digital information via email. So this is like the two-step shipping, the two-step here that they use. So it's the order form bump, as you can see here. So it's like telling them the dismissal thing here. And so the first step and then the second step. So the first step says shipping. Where should we ship it? And then upgrade, and upgrade now and save. That's the second step. And so it works because people think that physical things have a higher value than digital things. And once they've already filled it out, they'll just keep going because they're already committed to it. And so they have a higher chance of going on to the second step too. So Kobe Soup is a book written by me about a guy named Bob and how he found a delicious soup to eat. When he discovered the ingredients, he was shocked. An Alien Stole My Homework is a book written by my brother about a kid named Ned and how he stopped aliens from stealing his homework. And Asset Kids is a book written by me and my brother about how kids can help their parents in their business. And these books are on Amazon, so you can buy them there. Okay. Hiccups. I hope you like that. If you did, please like and subscribe. Bye.